Top Bible verses about Flat Earth.
Revelation 7:1. After this I saw 4 angels standing at the 4 corners of the earth, holding back the 4 winds of the earth, that no wind might blow on earth or sea or against any tree.
Isaiah 40:22. It is he who sits above the circle of the earth, and its inhabitants are like grasshoppers, who stretches out the heavens like a curtain, and spreads them like a tent to dwell in.
Job 26:10. He marks out the horizon on the face of the waters for a boundary between light and darkness.
Psalms 104:5. He set the earth on its foundations, so that it should never be moved.
Is earth slowing down?
1.4 billion years ago, a day lasted 18 hours and 41 minutes.
During the age of dinosaurs, between 246 and 66 million years ago, a day was only 23 hours. And it is 24 hours now.
From the origin of the earth, its rotation has been slowing down. That is, length of the day has been increasing.
Time, humans and the theory of evolution are in the dimension of time, a physical quantity. In the spiritual realm, there is no such thing called time. Everything is now. No past and future.
Shape of a planet.
The process of planet formation includes: Stage 1. Shapeless or irregular shape.
A cloud of gas and dust from a protostar collapses under its own gravity, forming a protoplanet. As the gases and dust rotates at greater speeds, the shape is irregular.
Stage 2. Disk or flat shape. With a reduced speed of rotation, the planet acquires disk or flat shape.
Stage 3. Geoid or oblate shape. On further slowing down, the planet becomes oblate-shaped, meaning bulged at equator and flat at the poles. Stage 1. Shapeless Earth. Genesis 1:2. Now the earth was formless and void, and darkness was over the surface of the deep.
The Holy Bible explicitly mentions the earth's first stage. That is, irregular or shapeless form, due to high speeds of rotation. Even before the atmosphere was created.
Many Bible scholars had already explained the text and context of the scriptures. Revelation 7:1, Isaiah 40:22, Job 26:10, Psalms 104:5, etc. Skeptics come up with one or the other scripture where flat earth seems to be quoted. So, we leave the burden of proof for flat earth mentioned in the Bible with them.
However, the next stage of the earth or any celestial object, on further slowing down, has to be a disk or flat shape. Stage 3. Geoid and not a sphere. Now, earth is in the shape of a geoid, flat at poles and bulged at the equator. It is not a perfect sphere. Sphere is a loosely used word to describe the shape of the earth.
However, it appears round from a point in space. This, again, is mentioned in the Bible. Isaiah 40:22. It is he who sits above the circle of the earth, and its inhabitants are like grasshoppers.
How come many ancient civilizations boast of the knowledge of earth being spherical, though not a perfect sphere? Book of Job, one of the oldest books, describes angels worshipping God as he was creating the world, Job 38:4-7. Same book mentions about Earth's shape to be circular, when seen from a far-off point in the space, same as today. Meaning, angels of the time witnessed a round Earth from space.
Knowledge of the fallen angels.
Satan and the fallen angels or demons, in Genesis 6, shared the forbidden knowledge with the human beings of the time. This isn't a knowledge gained by observation. Hence, we come across discontinuity in the ancient knowledge, for example, Aztec civilization. These angels knew not the origins of earth but the Creator God does.
Synopsis, shape and proof. Irregular shape mentioned in Genesis 1:2. Flat earth to be proven by the Bible skeptics. Geoid, circle, as seen from space, as in Isaiah 40:22. Sphere, to be proven by the claimants.
Creator God gives us a clear account of the shape of the earth, then and now. He is the Alpha and Omega, Aleph and Tau. Ancient of all. Shalom. The end.